there, my lovelies, this is Jana here, welcome to my channel. So today we're going to make another thrifty, easy, affordable, all the shebang that we know that I keep repeating myself all the time here on the channel, which is a vegetables and potato pie. Super comforting, super healthy. We love that, especially when those things are two are combined together, and easy to make. And the ingredients are, it couldn't be easier to find, because in these quarantine times we are interested in cooking, but we're not interested in spending money or trying to go get those weird ingredients. You don't worry about none of that, because I have just the recipe for you. And we start by cooking some potatoes, and then you mash them, and then you set them aside. I have here a medley of vegetables, which I must confess, most are frozen, because I love stocking up on frozen vegetables. They're super versatile. So I have green beans, corn, onions, peppers of any color, and some parsley. And now we're going to saute all those ingredients. Onions first, because we want them to wilt and to brown a little bit. I'm not going to use oil. I'm going to saute them in water because I prefer this way, but you do you. If you're into using oil, go for it. All right, now you add the rest of the ingredients. Season with salt and pepper. And set it aside. And now we're going to prepare our flax egg, which is a ground flax seeds. You can also use chia seeds if you like that better, and with water. And then we set it aside, because this is going to act as a binding ingredient. It's going to act as our egg. All right, so now we're going to add to a bowl the mashed potatoes, some flour, some salt and pepper, and the flax egg. And we're going to mix to combine very well. And then on top of it, we're going to add cheese, because cheese. Do I need to say something else? And then we put it in the oven for about 45 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 185 degrees Celsius, until it's golden brown. And then this beauty here is going to be ready. So this is it for today. This dish is perfect by itself, because it's super complete. You have a lot of goodness, a lot of vitamins and nutrients. Or you can combine it with, I don't know, a vegan stroganoff or whatever you want, because you decide. You are the boss of your kitchen. If you combine it with something else, let me know in the comments below. And if you post it on Facebook or Instagram, tag me, because I love to see your creations. I get super proud of you. You were so good. You're a saucy bunch of people, aren't you? I love your creativity. And this is it for today, my lovelies. I hope you are taking care of each other. I hope you're doing well. We're almost over. and I see you next time. And until then, bye!